step into elegance at 1450 Lockridge Drive. One of the kind, custom-built, solid, European-style home in the heart of Cumming, just minutes away from Lake Lanier. Designed by the well-known architect John Self and the Builder of the Year in Forsyth County, Sullivan and Walsh. This property sits on almost 1.4 acres landscaped lot. Inside, you will find 6 bedrooms and 4 bathroom home with master on the main, open floor plan with high ceilings and hardwood floors. Plus, a fully finished terrace level with endless possibilities. This is not just a home, it's a lifestyle. Let me show you what the inside of the home looks like. If you have any additional questions about this property or would like to have a private tour, please call me 404-886-0566. Thank you and looking forward to hearing from you soon. Bye.